Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making a vegetable stew, which is a shorba packed with vegetables. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the vegetable stew. You will need 1 large eggplant, peeled and diced, 4 small yellow potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 onion, diced, 3 large tomatoes, peeled and diced, 1 green capsicum, diced, 1 cup of freshly chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 4 tablespoons of light olive oil. And this is how your vegetable stew should look like. Serve it with some white rice and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!